Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Song Beyond the World or Fugi Across the World. Chapter 67, so here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Gyeonji was informing Yanchu about Yang Roofing. About Ji Silu. Did they say anything else? Right now, she was asking Gyeonji. No, but I saw Yang Roofing expression. Feels like I have something to ask of Eugene Feng. Oh, this girl. She was really good at taking actions like that. I understand. Everyone has something to ask. Let alone something Yang Roofing. Right now, Yang Chu. He seeks a high position and a generous salary. A position that can truly make him a superior person. So, that's how it is. Well done, Gyeonji. You really helped a lot this time. Now, Gyeonji has been praised by Yang Chu. After that, let's watch the show first. We have to plan carefully now, Yang Chu said to her. Well, finally, the two of them are really getting closer. Yang Chu finally found a good friend. On the other hand, on the other side, Yang Chu, she was preparing for the show. She was putting herself on makeup. Looking at it, she looks really gorgeous. Well, let's see what will happen next. Making sure it really well colored. Xiaoying, she was really excited, right? This is her comeback debut. And in perfect moments, she want to be a perfect person for tonight, so she can really perform well. After fixing herself, making sure everything is fine, Zhao Ying finally she stood up and went out to go on the stage. But when she was going to pass by, turns out it was also Yang Rufing was there. And seeing her, Yang Rufing becomes speechless. Of course, she is seeing beautiful Xiao Ying, but when Xiao Ying looked at her, it seems that she's going to ignore him, right? Yang Ruping was calling her. Instead of answering her, this girl is a little bit silly. She really take her leave. She really leaves alone. Yang Ruping is standing there, seeing her walking far away. Yang Chu, Yang Ruping, she already said to herself, but I don't exist because of the stage. Because of me, we have the stage. Well, definitely she was right. I will definitely take back everything that belongs to me, so let us have a treat. Oh, now, she really planned it well. Right now, Yang Chu, she was walking on the stage. Well, this is their debut. After a long time, she can able to perform on the stage again. Peng Xiaoying, oh master, look, Xiaoying looks pretty tonight. Well, this suit is the costume made. Xiaoying, right now, she's going to introduce herself. Hello everyone, I am Wen Xiaoying. Oh, look at her. She was explaining to them. She's going to perform a sing. Tonight, I will bring you a new song called Lightboat. Xiaoying said to them, hope you like it all. Well, let's see if it really goes well. And we are really looking forward on this. After speaking, everyone is praising her. Everyone is clapping. This is really great. Looking at Yang Chu, she was really happy seeing that Xiaoying is back on the track again. For Yang Chu, she was really softly cheering her, silent, along with the other audience. Right now, Yang Chu, Yunji said to her, Master, have you heard the song? Xiaoying sang it to you secretly. Well, this is great now. She said, it was a secret. And hearing this, Keyunji seems to be surprised and said, oh, well, of course, Xiaoying and Yang Chu on that time really helping each other. Yang Chu, please stop working. Come and help me to find the lyrics. This is a new song I prepared for my comeback on stage. Turns out Xiaoying is really asking her for help. The missing is Yang Chu, right? Well, it was really funny, but I always feels like something is missing. Well, definitely, there is no missing, but of course, you need to compose a lyric. Okay, let me take a look and put the foot first. It is very well written, Yang just said to Xiaoying. That time, the two of them are really helping each other, especially Yang Chu. Xiaoying, do you mind if I make a few minor changes? Of course, I don't really mind about it. After hearing this, of course, Yang Chu, she seems to be happy. Huh? Why are you so polite? You can always speak up. How to say this? Right now, after hearing this, of course, Yang she was really flattered. What about Xiaoying said to her? Well, this is really getting good. Right now, Xiaoying. Yang was calling her to look at her. Oh, she was really pretty. Yang said to her, I hope you. Well, she grabbed her and touching her face. Don't treat me as an outsider like anymore. Okay? Well, a tacit understanding can really help them well. After hearing this, of course, Yang her eyes is really shining, and it was also flattering to her heart. Then, I order you to help me to change the lyrics tonight. Jiang said to her, Yang no problem, that was right. Well, on that time, Yang said, after all, the relationship of the two of them is really getting better. Yang moved closer to her and said to her, we have been honest enough. Well, definitely, there's no misunderstanding. Take a boat on the river. Memories are like lingering sorrow, sprinkled in the water river. That was really a good lyrics. Midnight breeze sways the tree shadows. Fireflies are like the scenery in her dreams. Oh, that was really a good lyrics. Everyone seems to be enchanted. Everyone is really serious. When I first saw you, I already wanted to see your white hair. Well, she was pertaining. The two of them, Xiaoying and Yang be together till the two of them have gray hairs. There's only love. And Yang on that time, the lyrics, she write it that she can able to set her free. Well, definitely, she was really working for that. Now, finally, the song is already done. Everyone is clapping hard. Everyone was calling her. This comeback is really a good one, especially for Xiaoying. After the performance right now, Xiaoying, she was really blushing. Looking at her hearts, she was really flattered. But Yang she was really standing on the fact. She looks really so proud of her. Xiaoying, the two of them are looking at each other, especially for Yang. And it really makes sense. Master, the flower had been prepared as you ordered. Oh, thank you for your hard work. Xiaoying said to the man, Hey Yunji, I have a task for you. Go give this bucket of flowers to our big star. At this time, it will only add to the troubles and gossip. Especially, he was really matured. Now, Xiaoying said to her, Go ahead. Yunji said, Okay then. Well, finally, it was really a success night. The show really went well. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.